Fifthwheel. And I've been doing a lot of videos for you guys to see all different brands, all different models. But like this one, I never seen. This is, look how roomy it is. Show me a Fifthwheel could seat 8 people. Look how roomy. I could do the dance. I could do full circle here and nothing in between. This Fifthwheel is perfect to live in, to party, to bring more people, to park it next to a river, to park it next to the oceans, you name it. So let's start in the back of this 366 LS Alpine. Look how beautiful this kitchen. I have a nice island in the middle, solid service, a lot of doors. You have 1, 2, 3. Look how deep it is. So this is a kitchen island in the middle. So I have a prepping area, nice light fixtures in the middle. Behind me, you have a big 3-layered or counter sink covers. Look how deep it is. It's a residential sink. This is the same sink you buy from Home Depot Lowe's. Look how big it is. You could put a big pans. You have cabinets around the sink. You have a big section, a prep area on the right of the sink as well on the left side of the sink. Self-closing. Then underneath the sink, I have a place for more cooking pans. We call it chemical door, so I could put my Windex, my stuff in the back. I have a trash can door, 2 trash can, more door for silverware and utensils. And then I have a huge pantry. Look how big the pantry, and even doors with the pantry. So all this is just in the back. I'm still in the back of this 366 LS Fifthwheel. And then on the side here, let me put all this nice sink covers. And then on this side, I have nice cabinet around the microwave. Big 30-inch microwave with nice 3 Ranger burner with the oven and a cooking pan doors. Look how deep this. People, they think it's a warmer. More storage. I have 4-door fridge, 2 20 cubic foot refrigerator with the ice maker, 2 freezer door as well, 2 doors for the fridge. I have another storage here. I could put my breads. Nice LED light over the counter. So this counter is bright. I could see what I'm doing and I see what I'm cooking. Nice window in the back. So while I'm washing the dishes, I could look, not facing a wall. From it, I have a nice table with 4 chairs and no legs and extensions. So if I want to fit more people, right here, the extensions. And I have a door. This is for the extension, and then we flip this one. Oh, voila. An extension table, so I could sit easy for people on the table with no problem. And then it's easy, raise it up, hold it, slide this in, and then you could store here all the napkins for the table. And now, no, and still no legs, and I don't have to worry about strapping this table. Coming down over here, look, I could do the dance. Really, I could do dance in my living area of the 366 LS. I have one recliner facing 65-inch smart TV facing me. You have 2, you have 3, 4, 5. You could sit one here. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 people I could sit in this living area. Over here I have nice hide-a-bed sofa. So I still not losing a hide-a-bed with this L-shaped sofa or L-shaped living. Look how big this hide-a-bed sofa. Guarda, watch it, guys. So I could sleep easy, 2 big adult. Voila. could easily sleep two people here, or at least one person. If I move this cushions, I could get more headrooms. So if I'm 6.2, I no problem, I could sleep that way. Or if I'm just two little kids, I could sleep two up here. So you have a big height of it. And by the way, you could still walk to the kitchen, walk to the other sofa, walk to the dinette, walk to the bathroom. And I don't have to move this early in the morning, because some unit you have to fold this early because you're in the middle of the living area. But right now, I'm not in the middle of the living room. And then over here, you have additional. Let me show you. And you adjust it, by the way. I'm just trying to do it quick for this view. So, two people here, another two kids or one adult. So you actually have 3 beds in this one. So if I want to, and a big guy, I could sleep vertical, north south, and I could sleep another person here, and the TV in front of us. Then also, if I want, this is lower. It is adjustable, by the way. I could sleep here too, if I want, facing the TV, and still nice walking distance between this big bed and that big bed, and I still walk and forth to the kitchen, the dining, to the front with no problem. So this is the advantage of 366. If I have to work from my Fifthwheel and I have to do my bills, my house bills, or I want to sit in my laptop, you have a plug 110 here, and then again this has the ability for inverter outlet too. Lighting switch. I want to just ambient, and then I have two doors here, and then I put my desktop right there, and then I could work from my office. So even I'm sitting here working at night, doing my bills or do whatever I want, I still watch a big TV. I could get to the kitchen. I don't have to bother the family members when they're laying down in the bed and sleeping and watch a movie. So that's the advantage. Those two big height of bed sofa and this unit, they don't touch each other, and you have a walking distance in between. So after this beautiful disc, look how beautiful this LED lighting in the top and LED lighting here. It's amazing, with 65-inch smart TV, GPL stereo system, Bluetooth, speakers inside, speakers outside, and we have a big fireplace here. And by the way, it's a nice heater. Walking from here, there's 2 steps. As you see, I could put my shoes underneath the step. Nice instant handle to get in. And I'm walking to the master bedroom. Typical Alpine Fifthwheel. I have a nice king size bed with the storage underneath it. And there's outlets, inverter outlet on the side right there, so in case if I have CA machine or laptop, I have a place to put my phone, my bottled water. And again, big storage, a lot of doors underneath. I could put my second TV here. I mean, we give you the big TV in the main living, but if you want to add, it's already set up and it already has the backing, and I could put another TV here. Same thing here, it has a washer dryer prep. So if you want to hang clothes, you could leave it. This shelf is removable. I could remove this one, and I could put a stackable washer and dryer here if you want. This unit has 3 ACs, 1 AC here, 1 AC in the living room, 1 in the kitchen area. Big closet. I could even stand up in the closet to prove for you it's a deep closet, and you could hang clothes with a shelf. And walking there, I have my barn door. I could walk to my bathroom, and then again, I forget this is a dimmer light. Walk to the bathroom. I have a nice medicine cabinet. His and her prepping area here for showers, for what do you call, hair dryers, and some chemical tissues, bathrooms, porcelain toilets. And if you come from this side, you're gonna see a nice pantry. You could put your towels in it. So towel rack or towel closets. And then you have one piece fiberglass shower with a skylight, seamless, and nice glass door, and it has seating area where I could do my business. So this is 366L. It's the unit with huge living room, a huge kitchen, a huge closet, a huge L-shaped dinette here, as well sofa. And everybody looking in a fifth wheel is two crossing areas. So when you see people here, some people sit across from you and they have a nice conversation, and both they could watch the TV with no problem. Come to Best RV. We have it at a price you know and I know. We're giving you the lowest price in the state of California, and no dealers, I don't care how big they are, how small they are, could come close to our prices. We beat their prices. We give you a unit ready to camp at no hidden fees, free get ready package, free walkthrough, free orientation, free inspection inside, outside with you. No destination charge, just only you pay the sales tax and less. Come to Best RV, grab it before this amazing unit disappears.